Hi, I'm Kelly Moore with TNE Distributing here in the Twin Cities of Minneapolis, St. Paul, Minnesota. And here today to talk about the model SSQ22, otherwise known with its name as the WORKY QUAD. This is a small mini skid loader that is compact, economical, easy to run, easy to work in backyards, wherever your jobs are, to get around in small spaces with a small little wheel loader. It starts out with a really good set of tires, and these type tires are a special tire that's an all-track, as you can see by the tread on the tire. They're a 22 by 11 by 8 size design. Now, because it's got wheels as compared to tracks, it's a more economical machine, and it's less invasive on turf. When you've got tracks, you're going to scuff up and mar turf pretty badly. Wheels have a much less tendency to do that just by their nature. And they're made for all types of applications. A lot of dirt, soft conditions, maybe snow. If you got your jobs primarily on turf, there is a turf style tire available as an option on the machine. This is full-time four-wheel drive, operated by two control levers on the top that allow the operator to have very simple control of the machine. It's a stand-on unit, as you see here. You've got two grip levers for holding yourself firm and driving the machine with two levers with your thumbs. Left or right turn, reverse comes on with your fingers. Very simple, intuitive operating machine. Running your lift arm and lowering is done with two levers here, as well as the bucket or tilting apparatus up front. At full height, you're at 82 inches. So if you're going and dumping on piles, maybe into a small truck or an ATV type of vehicle, you've got the ability of dumping and loading pretty much where you want to. And then with that lifting ability, it's got a capacity of 772 pounds as a standard unit. So when you're lifting off the ground, you've got quite some heavy weight in front of the machine. Now naturally, when you've got a grapple such as this one and a fairly good load in the front, the further front you are, the lesser the load capacity you have. You have to keep that in mind. Now this machine would actually do even more. It's got optional weight package on, which gives you even a little more boost on top of it as far as load capacity. It's powered by a Honda V-twin 22 horsepower gas engine. Fuel tank is on the upper side here, easy to get at. You start it and operate it right from the back here. Hand throttle right up on top, depending on the speed you need. It's easily accessible to fuel it up to full throttle or run it at idle, whatever your needs are. The dimensions, pretty simple. It's a small machine. 41 inches of width with this style tire on. It is 60 inches in length, 5 foot, when you go to the front of the quick attach there. With the quick attach in the front of the machine, this is known as a universal mini quick attach. You can attach a variety of buckets, grapples, forks, pallet fork. The grapple itself is a TNE attachments tree grapple. It's run with a single hydraulic cylinder. It rotates 360 degrees as need be, and it has the ability of opening up 61 inches for grabbing quite a large timber or whatever material you have, brush that's accumulated and so on, to be able to grab that together. And working in a backyard, getting out through as narrow as a 48-inch fence line, and being able to get through and maneuver and get the material out and where you're going to get it loaded. The hydraulics have the auxiliary hydraulics built into the machine. You see the couplers here are flat-faced, half-inch couplers, very common coupler in the market today, with the hoses that go and run that big cylinder. So as the customer is operating the machine and running the lever up on top, you open and close the grapple and grabbing your tree branches and timbers and so on, and that's how you function the auxiliary hydraulics on the machine. In the way of maintenance and service, very easy. Raise the lift arm in the full up position, put a safety lock in place, 2 quarter turn screws here, pull this upward panel here out, set it down nice and easy, gives you nice open access right here. Here's your battery, your hydraulic oil filter, your hydraulic fill is right here, and further access for cleaning the machine as need be. In addition, there's 2 side access service panels, both on the right and then left side, quarter turn screw, pull the panels right off, gives you nice and easy access both left or right side as needed. So there you have it, the SSQ22, the WORKY QUAD model from Cast Loaders. For more information, contact TNEdistributing.com.